channel. Today I'm doing my most requested video ever on my channel, which is my room tour. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Before I get started, I just want to let you guys know that I do have merch. So if you guys want to go check it out, I'd really appreciate it. We haven't made any sales yet, so if you guys want to go check it out, the link will be below. And we do ship to other countries besides the US, so we also ship to Canada and the UK, I believe. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started. So here's just an overview of what my room looks like. And I'm just standing in my doorway right now. So when you first walk in, here is my bed. So my comforter is from Target. The subscribe button pillow is from, I don't remember, so I'll just have the website on the screen. The other three pillows are from Target as well. This huge tapestry next to my bed is from Amazon, so I'll have it linked below. Right above my bed, I have this painting of San Francisco, and this is from my grandparents, so I'm not entirely sure where they got it. So right next to my bed, I have this nightstand. It's really just like a drawer organizer thing. I use it as a nightstand, and I also store craft supplies in here. And on top of the drawer set, I just have my phone and a water bottle. And I just have my initial on my water bottle. So right next to the drawer set, I have my desk. So underneath the desk, I just have this hot pink garbage can, and this is from Target. I also have this chair. I have no idea where this is from. So the first thing that I have on my desk is my happy planner. I just covered it in stickers. Next, I have this mirror, and I got this as a birthday gift years ago, so I have no idea where it's from, but I think it's super cute. So then I have my iMac computer. This is a new computer I just bought. I bought this with my own money, and I also received some graduation money, so that was put towards this computer too. I'm not trying to brag by showing you guys this. I'm just very grateful that I have this. I'm going to be editing my videos on here from now on, and I'm super excited. Here is the keyboard that came with the computer, and I'm using this mouse that did not come with the computer. I like this mouse a lot better. And the mouse pad, nobody in my family is in the Navy right now. I don't really know why we have this, but this is just what I have right now for a mouse pad. Right next to my computer, I have all of this desk decor. First off, I have this Fujifilm Instax Mini 8. I have this little Eiffel Tower snow globe, as well as some fake succulents, and I just painted them in previous DIY videos. And I have this donut coaster under this succulent, which I also made in a summer room decor video. Back here, I just have some pens and markers and Sharpies, pencils, all of that type of stuff in this little container or this cup. And then next to that, I have my lamp. And as you can tell, I love tapestries. This one above my desk is from Amazon as well, and I'll have it linked below. So next, I just have my curtains right here and my window. So right next to my window, I have this mirror. I have no idea where this is from. I've had it since I was a baby. I also have some VidCon badges just hanging from it. So next to this mirror is this wall, and I actually have nothing on this wall. I don't have anything on this wall yet just because I want to be able to switch it out. I also want to film back to school skit videos, so I want to be able to put like a whiteboard there. But below this wall, I just have my studio lights. I'm using one over here, and I just store them in this corner of my room. And then moving along over here, I have my hamper or laundry basket. And then we just have my closet right here. And I'm not going to show what's inside my closet just because it's pretty messy. I mean, everything's organized, but it looks like a mess, honestly. On my closet door, I have this whiteboard, and it will not come off of the door. It's stuck to it, so I'm just leaving it there, but it kind of goes with my teal theme of my room. And then we have made it back to my door to my room. I have this full-length mirror from Walmart. I really hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. This video was so requested, so if you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new. Go check out my merch. Like I said, it will be linked below. I also have a P.O. box, so if you guys want to write me a letter or send me a package, I'll definitely write you guys letters back. So my P.O. box address will be below. Also, today's post notification shout out goes to this person. Thank you so much for turning on my post notifications. If you guys want a shout out in my next video,